The future is arriving faster than we think, and 2025 is set to bring technologies that will reshape how we live, work, and survive. From AI breakthroughs to life-saving medical innovations and world-changing energy solutions, these advancements could redefine our planet's future. Tell us in the comments, which one blows your mind the most? Mojo Vision AR contact lens. The Mojo Vision AR contact lens is pushing augmented reality into a form factor smaller than anyone imagined. Unlike bulky headsets or smart glasses, this tiny lens places a high-resolution micro-display directly on your eye, overlaying digital information onto the real world seamlessly. It can show navigation prompts, health data, notifications, or translations right in your line of sight without obstructing your vision. Built with eye-tracking sensors, it responds naturally to where you look, delivering context-aware data in real time. Designed for both everyday use and specialized applications like sports or healthcare, the Mojo lens aims to make AR truly invisible, portable, and always available, marking a bold step toward the future of wearable technology. SpinLaunch Kinetic Launcher. The SpinLaunch Kinetic Launcher is revolutionizing how we send payloads into space by replacing traditional rocket propulsion with a giant, high-speed centrifuge. Instead of burning tons of fuel, it spins a projectile inside a massive vacuum chamber and releases it at hypersonic speeds, reducing the need for heavy rocket stages. This approach can cut launch costs by up to 70% while dramatically lowering carbon emissions. In early tests, the system successfully launched small payloads tens of thousands of feet into the atmosphere. Future versions could send satellites into orbit more sustainably, making space access cheaper, cleaner, and more frequent, potentially transforming industries from telecommunications to Earth observation. CRISPR Gene Editing Kit. The CRISPR Gene Editing Kit is bringing powerful genetic engineering tools out of the lab and into more accessible settings. Using the CRISPR-Cas9 system, it allows scientists to precisely cut and modify DNA sequences, enabling everything from curing genetic diseases to creating disease-resistant crops. New portable and simplified kits are making it easier for researchers, educators, and even citizen scientists to experiment with gene editing at smaller scales. In medicine, CRISPR is already in clinical trials for treating conditions like sickle cell anemia and certain cancers. With its precision, speed, and affordability, the CRISPR kit could accelerate breakthroughs in healthcare, agriculture, and biotechnology, while also raising important ethical and safety questions. Cultured meat. Cultured meat, also known as lab-grown meat, is produced by cultivating animal cells in controlled environments, eliminating the need to raise and slaughter livestock. The process starts with a small sample of animal cells, which are fed nutrients and grown into muscle tissue that closely replicates the taste and texture of traditional meat. In 2025, several startups have moved from lab prototypes to commercial-scale production, offering burgers, chicken, and seafood with a fraction of the environmental impact. Cultured meat could reduce greenhouse gas emissions, land use, and water consumption while addressing ethical concerns about animal welfare. As costs drop in production scales, it has the potential to transform the global food industry and make sustainable protein mainstream. Quantum computing. Quantum computing is set to revolutionize problem-solving by leveraging the principles of quantum mechanics to process vast amounts of data at unimaginable speeds. Unlike traditional computers that use bits, zeros and ones, quantum computers use qubits, which can exist in multiple states simultaneously. This allows them to tackle complex problems in cryptography, drug discovery, climate modeling, and financial forecasting far faster than classical machines. In 2025, companies like IBM, Google, and startups are making strides in improving quantum error correction, a key step toward practical, stable systems. While still in its early stages, quantum computing could soon outperform today's supercomputers, opening the door to breakthroughs that were once considered impossible. Mystic topic. The future of life may not begin in hospitals, but in advanced pods inside high-tech labs. These aren't scenes from a sci-fi movie. People are actually being grown, preserved, or prepared for possible revival. This technology hints at artificial life creation, human backups, and even next-generation cryosleep for deep space travel. What's mysterious is that many of these subjects look exactly alike, raising questions about cloning, identity, and ethics. Whether it's for life extension, exploration, or something more secretive, this breakthrough blurs the line between science and fiction. Would you step into one of these pods if it meant living forever? The choice could redefine what it means to be human. Xenotransplant Breakthrough. Xenotransplantation, transplanting animal organs into humans, has taken a major leap forward in 2025. Scientists have successfully modified pig organs using advanced gene editing to reduce immune rejection, allowing them to function inside human bodies. Recent trials have shown promising results, with patients surviving weeks to months after receiving pig hearts or kidneys. This breakthrough could solve the global organ shortage, saving thousands of lives every year. By using animals bred specifically for compatibility, doctors can provide life-saving transplants without long waiting lists. While ethical debates and long-term safety studies continue, xenotransplants are moving closer to becoming a routine medical option, potentially changing the future of organ donation and giving hope to patients who previously had no options left. QBio Digital Twin Scanner. The QBio Digital Twin Scanner is pushing healthcare into a new era by creating a complete, three-dimensional digital replica of your body, inside and out. In just about 15 minutes, it uses advanced imaging, sensors, and AI to scan organs, tissues, blood flow, and even subtle molecular changes. This digital twin can be compared over time to detect early signs of disease, monitor health trends, and personalize treatments before symptoms even appear. Doctors could run virtual tests on your twin to predict how your body might respond to drugs or procedures. With the potential for yearly scans, QBio aims to make precision healthcare faster, more accurate, and preventative, turning medical checkups into a proactive, life-saving science. EPFL, Brain-Controlled Robot Arm. Researchers at EPFL have developed a brain-controlled robotic arm that can be operated purely through thought, no physical movement required. Using a brain-computer interface, BCI, the system reads neural signals and translates them into precise arm movements. What sets it apart is its AI-driven adaptability. The arm learns from the user's brain patterns, improving accuracy and speed over time. This breakthrough offers life-changing possibilities for people with paralysis or limb loss, enabling them to perform everyday tasks like eating, writing, or grabbing objects. In the future, such technology could integrate with exoskeletons or prosthetics, blurring the line between human and machine and offering unprecedented independence to those with mobility challenges. VR Smell Device. The VR smell device takes virtual reality beyond sight and sound, adding the immersive sense of smell to digital experiences. Using tiny scent cartridges and precision-controlled release systems, it can simulate hundreds of realistic aromas, from fresh rain and blooming flowers to campfire smoke or ocean breeze. Synced with VR visuals and audio, it enhances gaming, movies, education, and even therapy by engaging more of the senses. Imagine exploring a virtual forest and actually smelling pine trees, or visiting a digital kitchen and catching the aroma of fresh-baked bread. This technology opens new frontiers for storytelling, training simulations, and mental health treatments, making VR worlds feel more real than ever before. The future is unfolding faster than most of us can imagine, and the technologies we've just explored are proof that we're entering a whole new era. From brain-controlled robotics to VR devices that let you smell virtual worlds. From lab-grown life to quantum breakthroughs, each innovation is rewriting what's possible for humanity. Some of these advancements will save lives, extend lifespans, and connect us in ways we've only dreamed of. Others raise big questions about ethics, privacy, and how far we should go in blending biology with machines. What's clear is that by 2025 and beyond, these aren't just concepts in science fiction. They're becoming part of everyday reality. The way we work, play, heal, and even exist is about to transform forever. The real question is, are we ready for it?